Welcome back, guys. So as you know, I just came back from South Korea. So in this video I'm gonna just talk about Korea, like how was it for me visiting Korea for the first time.
Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
So the food, let's talk about the food. So the food in Korea is delicious. Like, of course they have like some dishes are slightly similar to Japanese dishes, but their food are usually spicy. Food was very delicious. Like, I loved the food there. I would go back just for the food. I was thinking that I might not go back to Korea. I was gonna say Japan. I might not go back to South Korea, but thinking about it, South Korea is actually way cheaper than Japan. The food tastes way better than Japan, in my opinion. The food reminds me of Jamaican food, some of it, so maybe that's why. And the shopping, like their clothes are so similar to Western type of clothing. I'm gonna show you guys some of the things that I purchased in Korea. Like, for example, this dress that I have on, I got it in Korea. I paid 10,000 won for it. 10,000 won is like 1,000 yen. It's like is it 1,000 yen? Yeah, 1,000 yen is like 1,000 Jamaican dollars or 10 US dollars. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys some of the other things that I purchased. Of course, I don't remember all the prices of the items that I purchased, but I'm gonna try my best to tell you. I bought this conditioning shampoo thing in Korea. The lighting, I used this already. I used it to wash this wig actually, and the wig smells so good. So definitely, if I get the chance, I'm gonna buy more of it because it's coconut, it's olive and coconut oil. I haven't tried it on my natural hair yet because I was just testing it when I tried it on my wig, because just in case anything, at least my wig get damaged and not my hair. But yeah, so I'm definitely gonna try it on my hair, my natural hair, to see how my hair takes it. But I like it, so even if I don't try it on my natural hair, I'm gonna definitely use it to wash my wigs, you know. Yeah, next I bought this coconut body wash, and this, it makes my body feel so good, so good. It actually smells very good as well. I don't know how to describe the smell. Both of them are coconut. I'm trying to see if they have similar smell. They slightly smell the same, but remember, this is conditioner, this is for your body, this for your hair, this is for your body. But I love both of them, so definitely, if I can, I don't know if I can order these online. But by the way, these made my suitcase overweight. Yes, these, because they are so heavy, but they are so cheap. I don't remember how much I bought them for, but they were cheap. Also bought a face scrub, so let me just go for it. I bought this face scrub, St. Ives apricot scrub, which I'm very much used to. Like, this is something that I've used in Jamaica, so this is not anything new to me, but I bought it in Korea because I haven't seen any of these in Japan. So yeah, I bought this. I've already used it multiple times. I need my skin to look flawless. By the way, I don't have on any makeup, which you probably can tell because of my dark circles. But anyways, I bought this. I also bought some, what do you call these? What do you call it? Mask. I've used two already. I bought the cucumber one. This was for, I think this was for maybe 3,000 won, which is like 300 yen, which is like 300 Jamaican dollars, which is like 3 US dollars. And the thing is, because they were so cheap, I actually thought that they weren't good because they were so cheap. But when I actually tried it and smelled, you could actually smell the raw cucumber. So definitely, if I've known, I would have purchased a lot more. Plus I would have bought different types. So maybe if I go back to Korea, I'm definitely gonna get a lot of these because Korea is all about beauty, skincare, and all of those stuff. So definitely I would go back and get these cucumber mask. Okay, so that's it for skincare. So I'm gonna show you guys what I bought, the food that I bought. In Japan they call it omiyage. So let me show you guys what food I bought in Korea. By the way, in Korea, a little, let me see, I see a receipt in here. Okay, so this, I bought this came in, it's like, I don't know how many, but it came in like a box. This is 1,200 won, which is like 120 yen, 120 Jamaican dollars, or 12 US dollars. I haven't tasted these as yet. Let me try it. But like I said, like I like Korean food. Oh my god, I'm weak. Although I don't want it. But let's see. Oh, it's shaped like a bear. This is so cool. It's like a baked bread. It's called Panda Bear Milk Brownie. Let me show you one that's not cold. Yeah, it actually tastes good. It's very sweet though. But anyways, so I bought that. I also bought these. I don't think I'm gonna even eat these. I just buy them so that maybe when I go to work, I might carry them for my Japanese co-workers, because they're always giving me snacks, always. So I probably could give them these. I don't know. I just bought this because yeah, that's all I got, so let me just buy it. So yeah, so this is the only like food that I carried back from Korea. Let me show you the clothes that I bought now. Like I said, I bought this from a place. I bought this in Korea. I bought it from a store called Tomato. So there is a tomato store, there's a mango store, there's a peach airline. So it's like all these type of fruits or food that they keep naming their things, their companies after. So this is Tomato. I got this for 1,000, like I said. Next, I bought these pants. Okay, so we went to Forever 21 twice, because the first time I went, I never wanted to shop. But then the second time, because the last day that we were in Seoul, I realized that I didn't buy much stuff and I still had money left. So I decided to go to Forever 21, and they were having a sale. And they said that they had like 2 sales. So it's like they had a sale plus a sale on top of the sale. Yeah, so the clothes were very cheap. Plus they looked very good. Anyway, so I bought these pants at Forever 21. Yeah, so I bought these pants. I don't remember the cost. If I find the receipt, then I'll let you guys know. What else? So Forever 21. Let's see. So I know it's summer in Japan and it's very, very hot. Today is not hot. Okay, so I bought this thing. This is like a winter top. You know, I like it. Very stylish. So this is for 12,000. Well, it was for 24,000 won. Then it sold for 12,000 won. So I got it for 12,000 won, which is 1,200 Jamaican dollars. So that's that. Next, I bought this dress. This very summer type dress, which I love. It was for 16,900, which is 16,900 won, which is like 1,600. Wait, 1,690 yen. 1,690 Jamaican dollars, or what's that? $16.90 US. What else? Again, I know it's summer, but by the end of September it's gonna start getting cold in Japan, I think. So I bought this white top that I can probably wear like when I'm going on the road. I liked it. I like this specifically. So this is why I bought it, because I like this design. The shoulder will be exposed. I like this. And I also like turtleneck clothing for some strange reason. Let me see how much this was for. So I got it on sale for 10,991. Next, let's see. I got this dress. I think I'm a dress person right now. Like I've purchased so many dresses since I've gotten here. I don't know, I guess I like dress now. But yeah, I bought this dress, this plaid looking dress for 12,400 won. I bought this is what I'm gonna be. I should have bought more of this. I only bought one. This was for 500 won. On sale was for 500 won. Anyway, so yeah, I should have bought more because I usually I like wearing these under my work clothes because they are so convenient and so comfortable. I have to go order on AliExpress. Like, I can't believe I only purchased one. Anyways, oh, this, I think this top, oh, this top is from Forever 21 as well. Okay, this top is from Forever 21. I thought I purchased another top, but it's not from this. Okay, so this is for 13,000, which is 1,300 yen, 1,300 Jamaican dollars. Yeah, this top. And I purchased some jewelry. Let me show you. So I purchased silver and gold. And my earrings is pierced like almost like 9 times, so I need earrings. Okay, so let's see what else. Okay, so I have the receipt in here. Forever 21. It came up to 63,400, which is like 6,300. Wait, 6,340 yen, 6,340 Jamaican dollars, or 60 US dollars, which is not bad because it's a lot of clothes. And if I had purchased this in Japan, I would have paid a whole, probably twice the cost. That's how expensive Japan is. Although I have never been to Forever 21 in Japan, but I've been to H&M, I've been to Zara, and I've been to other clothing stores in Japan. I'm getting hot, and it's so expensive here. Very expensive in Japan. I don't know what this is in Korea. This is. Anyways, I went to Daiso. Daiso is like a dollar store in Japan, and it's also in Korea, so I love Daiso. If you're just coming to Japan and you need like household stuff items, you can always go to Daiso to get them very, very cheap. When I say household items, I mean like you need mat, you need utensils, cups, cleaning stuff. Daiso is a place to go. So anyways, I got these candles in Daiso. One is cherry blossom, the other is mango. Mango smells so good. I just hope that when I light these, they actually make my apartment smell so good. I hope, because the candles that I purchased before, they don't work that well. But anyways, I bought these. These were, I think, so in Japan it's 100. I'm confused. Oh, 100 yen. In Korea it's 1,000 won. So that's a dollar store. In America it would be $1. So that's how it works. So I bought these, so I think it was probably 1,000 yen. 1,000. Oh yeah, it's on it. 1,000 won. 1,000 won I bought these for. Yeah. So these are the. Oh, I've also bought some gloves for my skin from Daiso in Korea. You actually, it's like a glove that you put your hand in and you use it to wash your body. I've used it a couple times and it leaves my skin feeling so good, like so good. My skin, it's like it actually rubs off the dead skin or something, but my skin feels so smooth when I use it. So again, if I go back to Korea, I need to get more of those, because yeah, I should have bought more. But yeah, so that's that. By the way, the gloves is in the bathroom, so it's wet. Anyways, yeah, so that's it for Forever 21 and Daiso. Let me show you guys some other stuff that I bought. So I went to this underground. It's like, so the trains, some of the train stations, they have like underground shopping malls. So we went to a souvenir shop and we bought some stuff. So I bought this I love Korea. What is this? Oh, this is extra large. I bought this I love Korea shirt. I love Korea. I bought two of them, one small, one large. So this one of course is for me. The small one is for me. And I also bought this hat. Yeah. I went to, what's the name? Oh, I went to this store called Mango. And I bought this work looking pants. It was for 19,000 won, which is like 1,900 yen. So this is very reasonable. Yeah, because I need some work pants, even though it's a little short for me, but I like it. So I bought this. When we were in Busan, we were walking down the street and we saw this vendor selling towels. So I bought this towel from him because I thought that I would need towel, but clearly I didn't because I haven't used this. But I bought it. It was for like 5,000 won, which is like 500 yen, 500 Jamaican dollars. So I bought it. So maybe if someone comes to my house, they have towels, I guess, to use. That's brand new. What else? Yeah, so let me talk about Korea a little. We stayed in Busan, we stayed in Seoul. The people in Busan, they were, I guess they saw less tourists, they saw less black people because they were staring like crazy. It was so uncomfortable in Busan, especially the elderly people. The elderly people were the people who were staring the most, and they weren't just staring, they were talking about us with each other. So you'd see, like when we were in the line, for example, we were buying the ticket to go to Seoul, the train ticket to go to Seoul. There were people in the line talking to each other about us, and we knew that they were talking about us because it was so obvious. It was so obvious because they were whispering and they were staring at us. Anyway, so even on the street we saw that, but it was mainly elderly people. When we went to Seoul though, it was so much better because I guess Seoul has more tourists, so it's not as bad. We didn't get any awkward stares in Seoul. I don't think so. I don't recall. But Seoul is like, you see, if you're going to Japan, Seoul is the place to go because there are so many stuff to do in Seoul. In Busan, we did sightseeing, and then we also went to Hyundai Beach, which, yeah, Busan is okay, but I would prefer, if I'm going back, I'm definitely going to Seoul. I'm not going back to Busan, or I'm going to somewhere new in South Korea. That's if I'm going back, because if I'm going back, it's just to shop mainly. Anyways, let me see what else did I want to say about South Korea. It's very affordable. The people, they are the opposite of Japanese people. So like they are more, should I say, they don't seem shy like Japanese people. They don't seem as reserved as Japanese people. They stare you in your eye when they're looking at you. They stare in your eye. They look you from head to toe. They look at you. So that's what I did the same. So when they are staring at me, I stare back at them like why are you looking at me? Is it the first time you've seen a black person? Huh? Because I know there are many black people in South Korea. So what? Transportation. So to get around South Korea, we have taken the bus, we took the train, we also took taxi. But because there were three of us, when we took the taxi and we divided the cost, it actually worked out the same as if we were taking the train. So because it was so convenient to take the taxi, we actually took the taxi to most of the places that we were going. And it's very cheap to take the taxi. Very cheap to take taxi in Seoul in comparison to Japan. Seoul is so much more affordable. It's just that everything that we did, we actually converted it to yen to see the comparison, and most times South Korea seemed a lot cheaper than Japan. The food is so delicious. The fashion, we saw like Korean owned stores that sold Western stuff, Western type of dressing. So I was very pleased with that. In Japan, it's hard to find things that I'm actually comfortable wearing most times, like especially the pants. Like the pants, they are like some big pants, like for like skinny me, and that's what they wear. They wear like the skinny girls wear these big pants. Yeah, that's not for me. What else? Yeah, I think that's it for Korea. Yeah, so guys, I thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Let me know what content you want to see. Any question that you have for me, you can let me know. If you don't want to write it in the comments section below, you can always follow me on Instagram and DM me your questions about Japan or Asia or whatever. I'm gonna try to answer to the best of my ability. Yeah, I live right beside the roadside. Anyways guys, so it's Sunday, it's hot. Tomorrow I have work. I need to go cook my dinner for work for the next week. I can't bother. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.